assuming you have a good credit score and a job, you can qualify for a mortgage right out of school. How to build credit. What is a credit score? Well, leave a like, smash the sub button, and enjoy the video. A credit card is kind of like a debit card. You can still buy things in person or online, but instead of the money coming straight out of your checking account, the bank pays for it and then you pay them back at the end of every month. But Sammy, why would I go through all of the trouble of getting a whole other card, going through this process of paying it off every month instead of it just coming out of my account? Why would I not use a normal debit card? That's a really good question. Now, a credit card provides an extra layer of security and fraud protection. If someone steals your card and spends it on a nice vacation in the Bahamas, you can call up your bank and be like, hey, someone stole my card. And instead of the money coming straight out of your debit card, straight out of your bank account, it's going to be safe because you're using a credit card. So they're going to cancel all the transactions and track down whoever stole your card. Credit card companies also provide incentives for you to use their cards, like through cashback or reward systems. There are people who take advantage and hack these reward systems to be able to travel the world year-round for free. If you're interested in doing that kind of stuff, I would check out the credit card churning subreddit. They do all sorts of stuff like that and they figure out the best deals. So if you're interested in that, I'll have the link in the description. Now, if you don't pay off your credit card at the end of every month, you'll have to pay interest, and usually at really exorbitant high rates, upwards of 20%. Now, if you know how exponential functions work, you'll realize that it's insane. Your debt will grow and grow and grow and spiral out of control. Now, it's not impossible to escape credit card debt and to get over it, but do not put yourself in that situation. Do not give yourself the trouble. Always pay off your credit card at the end of every payment cycle. Treat your credit card like a debit card and only spend the money you have to spend. And if you can't trust yourself with a credit card, then don't get one. But if you can, you'll have access to one of the most powerful financial tools out there to build credit, and you'll be able to gain access to more and more types of credit. Credit is money you can borrow. Why you should want more credit. You can use borrowed money to make more money. Business loans, margin, lines of credit, mortgages. After graduating school and getting a job, university counts as 2 years of work experience. So, assuming you have a good credit score and a job, you can qualify for a mortgage right out of school, which is why you should get a credit card as soon as possible. Credit gives you options to purchase assets that you might otherwise not be able to afford, like a house worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, or being able to start up your dream business. This is called leverage, and it's a great way to start building wealth. And to qualify for more credit, you need a good credit score. What is a credit score? How likely you are to pay credit back. How to build credit. When it comes to building credit, there are a few factors. Age of credit. This is why you should get a credit card as soon as possible. Go out there and get a beginner's credit card or a student card. Now, you start off with 0 credit, not average credit. So don't go and get a credit card that you are not qualified for, because if you are rejected, it will lower your credit score. Payment history. Always pay your bills on time. Credit utilization. The less of your credit that you use, the better. So either use less of your credit or get more credit to use. Credit inquiries. Now, if you're looking for more credit, banks kind of see this as a red flag. So don't look for credit all of the time. And if you are looking for credit, do it all in 1 week. That way, all of your credit checks get lumped into one credit check. Variety of credit. Now, having different types of credit, like car loans, student loans, mortgages, lines of credit, will improve your credit score. I hope you learned a lot about credit and why you should get a credit card. Now go out there, build your credit, and buy a house one day. Now, if you want to start investing, use my code in the description and you get a stock worth up to $4,500 when you sign up. Later, Gators.